This is how to create a fake screen effect in After Effects. Start by creating a new adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects panel, search for Grid and apply it to the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, change the anchor setting from corner to width and height sliders. Set both the width and height to 3, then change the border value to 2. Finally, set the adjustment layer's blending mode to soft light. Next, change the grid color to red. Duplicate the grid effect, then change the duplicate's color to green. For this part, I'd recommend zooming into your composition panel so you can see the individual pixels more clearly. Adjust the anchor values so the green pixels sit directly next to the red ones. Duplicate the grid effect again and change its color to blue. Move its anchor values so the blue pixels line up next to the red and green ones, creating an RGB pixel pattern. Now duplicate the grid effect one more time. Change both the width and height values to 4, set the color to black, and change the adjustment layer's blending mode to darken. When you zoom back out, it should already look like a screen. If the effect is too dark, just change the opacity of the final grid effect. To make it look like the screen is being filmed by a camera, search for bulge and apply it to the adjustment layer. Change the horizontal and vertical radius to your video resolution. I'm doing 1080 by 1920. Then adjust the bulge height until you're happy with the amount of screen curvature. To animate the screen, create a null object. In the timeline, twirl open the null object's transform properties so you can see its position. Go back to the adjustment layer and, under the bulge effect, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows while clicking the stopwatch next to Bulge Center. This opens the expression field. Drag the pick whip from the expression onto the null object's position property. Now, whenever you move the null object, the center of the bulge effect will follow it. To animate it, simply add a position keyframe, move the playhead forward, reposition the null object, and After Effects will animate the movement automatically.